How you guys doing? This is my second video. In the first video I showed my electric chainsaw, which is basically a plug-in 120 volt chainsaw, Oregon chainsaw, and I mentioned that I had also a battery operated chainsaw, and I wanted to show you guys just how powerful these things are. This one's an Echo 58 volt, and I've done a little upgrade to it. I put the same chain and bar as I have on the Oregon, which is basically a PowerSharp chain, and so here I've got a piece of spalted. It's not rotten, it's nice and solid, but it's spalted yellow birch, and I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make your own nice lumber. So here we go. Go. Isn't that beautiful? Spalted yellow birch. Gorgeous wood. So there you go. I normally would have cut this up as firewood, and now I've got a really nice piece of wood for maybe a small table, or maybe just a shelf for my wife, and you guys can do the same. As you can see, this chainsaw does not lack power. I have the upgraded battery in it, 4 amp hour. It comes with a 2 amp hour battery, but 2 amp hour will give you basically the outside cut, and this one still has 3 bars on it, so it's about a quarter of the battery there. So there's quite a bit of difference in the battery performance between the 2 and the 4. I recommend the 4 highly. And I did do an update to that sawmill I showed you guys in the first video, and as you can see, it's winter, so it's a little hard to mount it on the stump I have here. So maybe in the spring I'll do another video showing the updated sawmill mount, and maybe I'll use this saw for that and show you guys that you can even make sawmill lumber with a battery operated saw. Who would have thought? Bye for now.